What, you didn't look me, you never hear. Cool. Man, when you do me tororo, hey God, now you don't bust again now. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, they call me MC JT the comedian, aka Glassboy. Yes, you don't bust now. Yes, so today, maybe November 20, 2021, I want to say happy birthday to one guy I respect so much. A guy that full of love, blessed by God. A pragmatic thinker and executor. One guy that know what it takes to treat others with generosity and thoughtfulness. I'm talking about not that person that what international best. Happy birthday to you. In this your new age, everyone will celebrate you best. Your good not will kill you. You are blessed. Untouchable like that. Today's your birthday. Do shakara. You are blessed with the key of greatness. God is your eyewitness. In this your new age, whosoever that wish you labor, we thought to favor. Whosoever that wish you stretch, we thought to success. And whosoever that wish you bad luck, we thought to good luck. Happy birthday to you. God bless your new age. Don't forget that this birthday shout out is coming from your lovely caregiving friend. I mean your girlfriend. One girl may love you from the bottom of your ass. One girl may they call you boo boo. Oh God now. I'm talking about no other person than Osato. He said make I wish you happy birthday. He said make I tell you say you are covered with the most high. He said make I tell you say if nothing fit keep breeze, nothing fit kill you. Osato say make I tell you say he love you for the bottom of your heart. He said make I tell you say long life and prosperity now. Oh, happy birthday to you now. But when I waste now, when I see this guy, when I see this girl now, what the who fair, but when I was who fair past. Oh, that's too fair now. Happy birthday to you best. God bless your new age. Don't forget to see your boo boo, your love, your sugar in the sea, the apple of the eyes. One of your twists is oh my God, one of the sweetest love now. I'm talking about another person that Osato. Osato say he love you. Happy birthday to you best now. But when I waste now, I respect this guy so much because when I get away glance, this guy I get away balance. The only guy that only ask me MC GT the comedian service on coins. I will say boss now service. You say best account over. Go and sit down. The only guy will get money gets the only guy will travel all the way from Benin to Lagos just to sugar for poverty. I will money stop nonsense now. Happy birthday to you. I beg okay. Man I go chop by that. God bless the new age. Ah God.
Baba, come wait till the apple. You don't the chat. How you got this in there, Baba? How you got this?
What's the apple? You know it's now to be best daddy.
Best, my best. I be your best.
Why you carry back? What's the song?
Baba, I dey go birthday for best birthday, best exactly. You say exactly no treat like
no. I don't believe no. I don't think the best birthday man they go not be the go. Wait for bless you tell me straight. You not tell me now just ask you. Now you they call your birthday.
Baba, you come here.
You tell me now you go best birthday.
Yes, na my best. In fact, you in the
no what me lecture.
I hear you boy.
You come in lecture. You come wait see this guy himself. You come in lecture.
I hear you boy. Me in your boy. Yes. Have money.
Yeah, literally. Now you go there for that. Literally. I'm ready. I never
man.
Wait, see, okay, they come. Nobody they come.
Oh, Baba, they go. See, poverty people. Oh, you know best birthday. You have a shop price. Best make them money. Best make them help us. It's not the best to pay no me. Oh my God, best too much now, Baba.
Now best go kill there. Happy birthday to you, bear not stop. Baba, say wait, man, so bad. You say you get sabi. You dey carry back. See, me tell you something. After the birthday don't finish, I go sleep there for the next day, which is the mid dance.
Baba, you are jobless.
I'm jobless, you are mad. Maybe excuse there. Man, go chop by the time. Make I tell you, like you talk nothing tomorrow. You don't bribe me. Nobody go give you less. Best. So you God bless the nation. You never happy. Anything like that for me. God bless the nation. I better go show more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you first. God bless the new age. Long life and prosperity. God bless you.
Respect.
God bless you.